In this video we study Mendel's third law of inheritance, also known as law of independent assortment. These are two alternative names of single law. So here this law is based on dihybrid ratio, dihybrid cross. In dihybrid cross we have seen phenotypic ratio of F2 generation is 9:3:3:1. You remember its meaning? 9 they are yellow round, 3 are yellow wrinkled, 3 they are green round, and only one is green wrinkled. So it is because of two pairs of contrasting characters. So it indicates two pairs of characters behave independent of each other. That's why we have got two new combination. One is yellow wrinkled and second is green round. Two characters under consideration are assorted independently. Assorted meaning group or separated, giving rise to different combinations. Which are that new combination? We have seen green round, round green and wrinkled yellow. So what is statement of that third law of inheritance given by Mendel? When hybrid possessing two or more pairs of contrasting characters or genes form gametes, factors in each pair segregate. Factor meaning gene. Genes they segregate. Genes separate independently of other pair. So example of this third law is heterozygous pea plant with round seeds and yellow color. So as it is heterozygous, its genotype is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, and we know it belongs to F1 generation. We call it as F1 hybrid. When this F1 hybrid produces gametes, how gametic or gene combination occur? In that first combination, capital R with capital Y, first type of gamete, two different genes come together. Capital R and small y, second combination of gamete. Third one, small r, capital Y, and fourth one, small r, small y. So in this way, assortment occur. First of all, separation followed by grouping. We call it as law of independent assortment. So have you got meaning? When hybrid possessing two or more pairs of contrasting character. F1 hybrid having two pairs of contrasting character. One is a shape of seed, either round or wrinkled, and a second is color of seed, that is yellow color and green color. Characters or genes forms gametes, factor in each pair segregate independent of other pair. हे दोन्ही जीन सेपरेट होत असताना या दोघांचा काहीही संबंध येत नाही, किंवा व्हाईस वर्सा हे दोघे सेपरेट असताना ह्यांचाही काही संबंध येत नाही. हॅव यू गॉट मिनिंग? सो दॅट इज ए third law of independent assortment. Up to this we have seen work done by Mendel in a relation with genetics, that is variation or inheritance. After time period of Mendel, other scientists, other research workers, they find certain deviations. We call it as new Mendelism. New meaning new. These are findings which are after Mendel, or these are recent findings. That's why new Mendelism, or they are also known by deviation from Mendel's finding. So Mendel made generalization on the basis of experiments on garden pea plant. We know it he find that single trait is controlled by single gene with two alleles. At least two different alleles are there for each and every gene. Two alleles show interaction in which one is completely dominant. Two alleles meaning two forms of genes. For example, we have seen capital T and small t. Capital T responsible for tallness, small t responsible for dwarfness. Tallness, dwarfness are features of height. So capital T, small t are two different alleles show interaction with each other where one is completely dominant. We know capital T is a dominant gene over small t. Factors or genes for different traits present on different chromosomes assort independently. So genes or factors, they are present on different chromosomes and they are responsible for, or they undergo separation independently, assortment independently. In post Mendelian era meaning time period, era, number of deviations were observed. It gives additional information on the pattern of inheritance. These deviations are called neo-Mendelism. So you have to remember meaning of term neo meaning new. Findings or deviations which are observed after Mendel. That's why neo-Mendelism. It was observed that phenotypic expressions of a gene can be modified or influenced by other gene. So phenotypic expression meaning external characters. They can be modified or they undergo influence by other gene. These gene interactions are of two types. So you have to remember gene interactions. They belong to two different types. In that, first one is intragenic interactions. Intra meaning within. इंट्राजेनिक इंटरॅक्शन ह्याचा अर्थ काय, एकाच जीनच्या दोन वेगवेगळ्या अलीलमध्ये दोन वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्ममध्ये झालेली इंटरॅक्शन त्याला म्हणायचं इंट्राजेनिक इंटरॅक्शन. अँड सेकंड वन इट इज इंटरजेनिक इंटरॅक्शन. Intergenic interactions, or they are also known as non-allelic interactions. Inter meaning in between. In between two different genes, दोन वेगवेगळ्या जीन्समध्ये होणारी इंटरॅक्शन त्याला म्हणायचं इंटरजेनिक इंटरॅक्शन. दीज आर नॉट अलील्स ऑफ ईच अदर. एकमेकाचे अलील नाही कारण दोन्ही जीन्स वेगवेगळे आहेत. दॅट्स वाय इट इज कॉल्ड नॉन अलेलिक इंटरॅक्शन्स. Come to concentrate on first gene interaction, intragenic interaction. I have told you it occur between the alleles of same gene. एकाच जीनच्या दोन वेगवेगळ्या अलीलमध्ये दोन किंवा दोनापेक्षा वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्ममध्ये होणारी इंटरॅक्शन तिला म्हणायचं इंट्राजेनिक. अर्थ कळला. फक्त एकच जीन इन्व्हॉल्ड आहे पण ह्या एका जीनचे दोन किंवा दोनापेक्षा जास्त फॉर्म असतात. त्यांच्यामध्ये असलेली इंटरॅक्शन त्यांच्यामध्ये होत असलेल्या रिॲक्शन त्याला म्हणायचं इंट्राजेनिक इंटरॅक्शन्स. विच आर एक्झाम्पल्स, इनकम्प्लीट डॉमिनन्स, सेकंड कोडॉमिनन्स अँड थर्ड वन मल्टिपल अलील्स. सो रिमेंबर एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ इंट्राजेनिक इंटरॅक्शन्स. फर्स्ट वन इनकम्प्लीट डॉमिनन्स, सेकंड कोडॉमिनन्स अँड थर्ड वन मल्टिपल अलील्स. They may ask question for 1 mark. Give any two examples of intragenic interactions. In that first one, incomplete dominance. As name indicate, incomplete. No any gene is dominant over other. That's why it is incomplete dominance. कोणताही एक जीन दुसऱ्या जीनवरती पूर्णपणे डॉमिनंट नसतो, त्याला म्हणायचं इनकम्प्लीट डॉमिनन्स. म्हणजेच काय, दोन्ही जीन पार्शियली एक्सप्रेस होतात म्हणून इनकम्प्लीट डॉमिनन्स. इन धिस बोथ अलील्स ऑर जीन्स ऑफ allelomorphic पेअर मिनिंग जीन पेअर एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्स पार्शियली. पेअरमध्ये असलेले जे जीन्स आहेत, जे अलील्स आहेत एकाच जीनचे, हे पार्शियली एक्सप्रेस होतात आणि म्हणून आपण याला म्हणतो इनकम्प्लीट डॉमिनन्स. कुठलाही जीन डॉमिनंट नाही किंवा दुसरा रेसेसिव्ह नाही. वन अलील कॅन नॉट सप्रेस एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ अदर अलील ऑर जीन कम्प्लिटली. कोणताही एक जीन दुसऱ्या जीनला पूर्णपणे सप्रेस करू शकत नाही, मीन्स इनकम्प्लीट एक्सप्रेशन. In such case, there is an incomplete expression in F1 hybrid. आणि मग त्यामुळे F1 हायब्रिड आहे हा दोन्ही पेरेंट्सचे कॅरेक्टर दाखवतो. इनकम्प्लीट एक्सप्रेशन. हॅव यू गॉट मिनिंग? F1 हायब्रिडमध्ये दोन्ही पेरेंट्सचे कॅरेक्टर्स पार्शियली एक्सप्रेस होतात. म्हणजेच काय झालं ते इनकम्प्लीट एक्सप्रेशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, कलर ऑफ मिरॅबिलिस जलापा. मिरॅबिलिस जलापा याला म्हणतात 4 o'clock प्लांट किंवा गुलबाक्षी असंही म्हणतात. भरपूर कलरफुल व्हरायटी असतात. तर हे तुम्ही प्लांट पाहिलं तर समवॉट ट्रम्पेट शेप छोटी फुलं असतात. बेसला ग्रीन कलरचं सीड असतं, जे मॅच्युअर झालं की ब्लॅक कलरचं होतं. आणि ही फुलं पाहिली तर संध्याकाळी 4च्या सुमारास ओपन होतात, उमलतात आणि रात्री काय होतात, क्लोज होतात, मावळून जातात. संध्याकाळी उमलत असल्यामुळे याला म्हणायचं 4 o'clock प्लांट. गुलबाक्षी कॉमन प्लांट आहे. भरपूर कलरफुल व्हरायटी असतात. व्हाईट, पिंक, रेड, येलो किंवा येलो विथ पिंक स्पॉट्स, भरपूर कॉम्बिनेशन असतात. इट हॅपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट डॉमिनन्स. We have to study that incomplete dominance. Here we take example of parent plant, red flowered plant having genotype capital R, capital R. रेड कलर कोणत्या जीनने डिनोट केला जातो आहे? कॅपिटल आर. इज क्रॉस विथ व्हाईट फ्लॉवर प्लांट. व्हाईट कलर इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय स्मॉल आर. देन F1 ऑफस्प्रिंग्स हॅव पिंक फ्लॉवर्स. म्हणजे F1 ऑफस्प्रिंगमध्ये दोन्ही जीन येणार आहेत, कॅपिटल आर आणि स्मॉल आर. आणि दोघांचंही एक्सप्रेशन पार्शियल होत असल्यामुळे फ्लॉवरचा कलर कसा होतो? पिंक. जर का आपण रेड कलर आणि व्हाईट कलर मिक्स केला तर कलर शेड कोणती होते? पिंक शेड. तसं या ठिकाणी दोन्ही जीन पार्शियली एक्सप्रेस होत असल्यामुळे फ्लॉवर्स दे ऑब्टेन पिंक कलर. इट इज अ चार्ट फॉर इनकम्प्लीट डॉमिनन्स. पेरेंट्स, they are represented by mirabilis plant with red flowers cross with other mirabilis plant with white flower. We know their genotype. Red flower plant has genotype capital R. Capital R is a dominant gene responsible for red color, and white flowered mirabilis plant having genotype small r which is recessive gene. These plants when mature produces gametes, as this red flowered plant produces gamete with gene capital R and white flowered plant produces a gamete with a gene small r. Gametic fusion produces F1 hybrid with both genes capital R and small r. Because of this combination, flowers they get pink color, meaning capital R responsible for red color and small r responsible for white color. Both genes get expressed. That's why color comes pink. When selfing of F1 hybrids, meaning this pink flowered plant is carried out, two plants belonging to F1 generation are selected with genotype capital R, small r. One plant function as male parent and other as female parent. Here it is a square checkerboard method, Pune square method to obtain F2 generation. You know it here, these are gametes. As selfing is there, gametes are also identical. Capital R, small r of both male and female parent. Then we know how to cross them. First, capital R. Here flowers they become red color as that of parental generation. Here these are two crosses, capital R, small r, capital R, this one, and capital R, small r, this one. Here genotype comes capital R, small r, flowers become pink. And here third one, small r, flowers are produced having white color. So if you observe, one is red, two are pink, and one is white. So phenotypic ratio comes 1:2:1. What is regarding genotypic ratio? One is having genotype capital R, two are having genotype capital R, small r, and again one is having genotype small r. So genotypic ratio also comes 1:2:1. Means genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio are same, 1:2:1. What is meaning of this cross? Factors segregate and there is no mixing of factors. फॅक्टर सेपरेट झाले, मिक्सिंग झालं नाही. पण इंटरमिजिएट शेड का आली? बिकॉज नो वन जीन इज अ डॉमिनंट, both are incompletely dominant, therefore it produces intermediate shade pink. Have you got? That is regarding incomplete dominance given by example of Mirabilis jalapa or 4 o'clock plant.